Hey everybody, I'm deep in the heart of Texas. Did some hog hunting this week and I was blessed to get my first ever Texas wild hog. It was amazing. Ground it up and I made pork breakfast sausage. Today we're gonna make a big old breakfast with wild, organic Texas hog sausage. Blackstone Griddles, brand new at Walmart this year. Available in the camping aisle. Gonna go down with some extra virgin olive oil, diced potatoes, jalapeños, and onion. Gonna make a little hash, a little potatoes O'Brien, if you will. Season that up any way you want. Picked up a little seasoning at the local market. My Texas wild hog breakfast sausage. Oh mama. Let's make a couple of sausage patties. This is pure organic Texas wild hog. If you watch any of my videos where I make pronghorn, whitetail, mule deer, or elk sausage, wild game is very lean. You actually have to add domestic pork shoulder to it so you can make a patty because there isn't enough fat for it to form patties. Well, this is all inclusive. It has the fat that I need. It's ready to go. So we have select spices in here, including sage, garlic, red pepper, and a whole bunch of other stuff. It's also very lean. If you look at it, there pretty much is no fat in this because the hog wasn't too big. The hog was really lean. I'm on low heat. We're gonna go down with 1, 2, 3 sausage patties. One of the nice things about cooking on a griddle is you can press the meat down so you get a good sear. You don't need to worry about getting a flare up. Back in the day when I used to cook on those open grated grills, always have fires when you press down on your burgers. Not a worry with a Blackstone griddle. Let's keep those taters moving. I think they're just about done. I'm gonna go down here and turn that side of the griddle off all together because those potatoes look just about perfect. I'm gonna move them over into the corner. Give the patties a flip. Nice looking sear, gorgeous color on those. This is definitely my favorite breakfast toast bread. Rustik Oven, come on folks, give me a call. There's sourdough bread, there's nothing like it, and it's my favorite for a griddle breakfast. Lay that bread down in the oil and get it toasting up. Flip my sourdough bread. A little bit of oil. Gonna crack an egg. We're at a bit of an angle here. So I'm gonna try to rein this puppy in to where it looks somewhat pleasing. I think that's good. Crack another one. Like to put a little salt and pepper or whatever seasoning I have on hand on my egg yolk. And I always cut these giant slices of toast right down the middle. The potatoes O'Brien look so good. Sausage cooked to perfection. Look at this gorgeous sourdough toast and the eggs. The weather here is absolutely insane. Now that the rain finally lifted, we have humidity like I have never felt moving in here. So I'm gonna plate up my breakfast and we're gonna go inside to enjoy this. Take a look at that. Let's give it a try. Get in there for some of that beautiful Texas wild hog sausage. So delicious. What a blast to be here in Texas on a giant ranch, hunting wild, free-range pork. So much fun to bring it from the field to the griddle to the table. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you check out all the shows on the Blackstone Network. From the beautiful rock house in quaint and charming and rustic Hico, Texas. This is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the Texas-sized breakfast with wild hog sausage.